Hi, welcome. Simon here and hope you're doing well. In this video, I'll be cleaning off the Airpod Pro and I'll be using a microscope camera here. This brand is from Kaisi. And let's go ahead and get started. So let me turn on the light. I'm going to have the little non-slippery rubber pad here at the bottom. Kind of get the camera all set up. Let me switch it over to the microscope screen. As you can see that the screen here is on. And let me go ahead and open up the get the headphone out. Okay, so let's take a look. What do we see here? Looks like we do have some. Let me turn on the full screen for you, so that you guys can see it here. All right, zoom in a little bit. If I can stay focused. Okay, it looks pretty clean to me. I do see some of the earwax on the side. Let's go ahead and clean that off. I'll be using this cleaning tool here. Let me get the little pointy and stick it underneath and see if we can get some of the earwax out. Okay, I do see some here. I wonder what is that little black thread. It's got to be some kind of linen or some stuff in there. It was easy to wipe it off. So try not to dig too deep because you do not want to damage the mesh screen on the AirPods. Okay, I have some here. Other than that, this one looks pretty clean. There's not much to clean anyways. Yeah, it looks good. At least we got that little linen out. Some on the other side. Okay, that looks pretty good. I don't see much of the dirty stuff in there. Let's get a little brush and kind of brush it off a little bit. Okay, I have a brush here. That is the noise cancellation. I do not recommend you to stick stuff in it. Just get a gentle brush broom and brush it off. All right, so that is done. Let's work on the other one. Okay. Let's take a look. What do we have here? I think this is just a little bit more dirty than the other AirPods. I do see a big earwax right there. So if you guys are interested to get a microscope to do your own repair or maybe, you know, just kind of this is a very good microscope. Actually, I do like it, especially with the 34 megapixel camera. The lens is pretty easy to set up, and you can just display it right at the computer. Yeah, this is pretty good. Great. I think it looks great and clean on that match. It's not much to do here. Basically, to take this little black stuff out if I can. There you go. Yep, other than that, I think the meshes looks pretty clean. Let's get a brush to kind of just brush off the noise cancellation side. Okay, so we have both of them clean, and we're going to focus on the main screen here to get back onto the, what do you call this, the box. So let's go ahead and get one of this. Just stick it in, clean it. Perfect. Great, everything is done properly, correctly. Now we're just going to recharge the AirPods. Let me see if I need to clean the bottom part. Where is that little scrubber? It looks pretty clean to me. If you need to scrub the charging connector port, use one of these little tiny brush. Stick it in and clean off some of the dirt. Most of the time it's all the linen that's stuck in there. Okay, take a look. Yeah, the charging port looks clean to me. It's pretty good. All right, so that's all I have for you. I'm just cleaning off some my AirPod here. If you're interested to know what I use, this is a microscope that I got from Kaisi. Looks great. I liked it. Also, I do have the separate camera that I purchased, which is the 34 megabytes microscope here. This is so that I can upload it to my monitor, and hopefully this video is something that you enjoy. Thanks for watching. Until next time, bye now.